Hi guys, I am Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. So the next interview question, it may ask you in interview room, explain the file class in Java. Explain the file class in Java. So guys, this class in Java, okay, come from java.io package. Okay, this class in Java comes from java.io package, guys. So java.io file class. Okay, so this class is coming from java.io package, guys. Okay, so what is the use of file is used to store data. Okay, store data. Okay, store data permanently, guys. Okay, file is used to store data permanently. Okay, that is from store data permanently. Okay, permanently, guys. Okay, permanently, that is from, okay, that is from RAM into hard disk, guys. Okay, the RAM into hard disk. Okay, so for that java.io package, provides various classes. Okay, n number of classes, guys. So for that java.io package provides n number of classes. Among those classes, so file is one of them, guys. Among those classes, okay, file is one of them. So what is the use of this class? So file class is in Java used to know the existing file properties, guys. Existing file properties. Okay, file class in Java used to know the existing file properties, guys. Okay, this class, okay, we can say this class cannot create, okay, this class cannot create, okay, new file into hard disk. Okay, new file into hard disk, guys. Okay, new file into hard disk. Okay, and even it cannot read or write content. Okay, it cannot read or write a content from file, guys. Okay, so then what is the use of this file class? So file, it is used to, okay, by using this, so by using, okay, this class, we can say by using this class, okay, we can know, okay, file name, like file name, file path, file reading, writing, or execution mode, file length, or 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 even we can use to delete the existing file or rename file, guys. Got it, guys? So this class, okay, coming from which package? Java.io. So let's see with one example, guys. Let's say, okay, file file, okay, file f, okay, new file, okay, new file. Okay, and then let's say I create one file object. So let's say I have one file. Okay, from this location I will read this file, guys. Okay, so and in this location there is a one file. What is the file name? Hello.txt, guys. So hello.txt. So now we can check whether this file is available or not. So we can say if f.exist, if f.exist, okay, so as out we will say file is exist, else we will say, s out file is not exist, guys. Okay, file is not exist. Okay, then right click and run file. Okay, so now, so if this file is available, so then we will get message file is exist. Like suppose let's say I'm trying to check hello1.txt. So hello1.txt file is not present. So then we will get message file is not exist. Okay. So then later on, if file is exist, so we can check file can execute, file can read, file can write. Okay. Or even we can delete a file. Okay. Or even we can rename file. Okay. Got it, guys? So now by using this file class, okay, by using this file class, okay, we can know the file properties, guys. Got it, guys? Even we can know the length of the file. Even we can know the length of the file. Okay, even this class, okay, even this class is used to create a directory. Okay, it is used to, okay, file class is used to create directory, but not a file, guys. Okay, so by using this file class, okay, we can create a directory but not file. Okay, so to create a file in Java, we have to use one more class, another class. Okay, so we will discuss that class in the next question, guys. Okay, so understood, guys? So this is the file class. Okay, so This is all about file class. If you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.